Hello friends, welcome to ASV TECHHUB channel. If you like this video, give me one like and comment and also subscribe to my channel.
Steps of designing powerful through the Roblox Studio application. Roblox is the online gaming platform that is most known and gives that chance to create and join in the games. A well-known element of Roblox is the game development module called Roblox Studio, which provides plenty of tools for the users to customize creatures, worlds, and gears. By means of Roblox Studio, players have ability to anything, including making their own games, using game shopping to develop them from scratch. The result is just a world out there filled with the user's creative imagination. Let us take you over the step-by-step direction of how to build this way by utilizing Roblox Studio. Before you begin, be sure to read our guide on how to get started with Roblox Studio. First, download it from the website of the company and install on your computer, then you can use it to create your games. Once installed, the game application is launched and a new place is created which supposes the main canvas. You can select your template from plenty of choices or make a blank one to start with. After that, get to Roblox Studio and acquaint yourself with its interface. The main window represents the core of the software where panels and tabs are housed that connect you to diverse tools and options. Get conversant with the layout by exploring these options for some time.